mom and the second parents of our newlywed gentlemen. Magpapakitang bilas po ang ating principal sponsors sa awitin ng VST and Company. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko, DJ Mr. and Mrs. Rudy and Rosemary Fernandez Tiano.
Two of you dancing that way, lost in the moment, in each other's face, so much.
Our sounds and lights provider, we have Rare Faction Audio, only managed by Mr. Ian Daryl Martinez. In 3, 2, and 1, throw!
So give me the show you what you got me with that
As we reflect on our special day, our hearts are filled with immense gratitude. We would like to take a moment to express our thanks to everyone who made our wedding unforgettable. First and foremost, we thank God for blessing us with love, strength, and guidance. Without His grace, this day would not have been possible. To our parents, Nay, Tita Jet, Mama and Papa, your unwavering support and love have been the foundation of our lives. Your sacrifices and encouragement have shaped us into who we are today, and we are forever grateful. To our dear friends and relatives, thank you for your love, laughter, and support. Your presence made our day even more special, and we are blessed to have you in our lives. Special thanks to our incredible suppliers whose dedication and talent brought our vision to life. To the Sounds and Lights team, Sir Ian Daryl team, created the perfect ambience.
Nakabatcham.